They're not in the same place, but somehow strongly doubt it.
I'm gonna test this out. Keep in mind that I'm an artist. I'm sensitive about my shit.
It's MATIC Monday. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Chariti Sinae and I am back with another video. Today is another episode of MATIC Monday and I just did this little space, little cute little Spice Girl galactic inspiration type of look, if that makes any sense. But yes, I really like it. It's so cute. I love the entire look just as a whole, and I hope you guys love it as well. So let's just get into the video. So I'm using my P. Louise base in the shade Roma number 2, and this is what I'm using to prep my lids for eyeshadow today. Y'all already know the deal with this brush. Not brush, but base. But speaking of brush, you know what I'm saying? This is the MAC 217 brush that I'm using to apply the base and to make sure it's all blended out like you want it to be. And just in case there's anyone new watching, when it comes to this base, just in case you don't know, you want to pat it in. You do not want to wipe or press or really like smear it. You just want to pat it, because patting it is also going to set it. And to know that the base is completely set and ready for eyeshadow, it will begin to get tacky. But you really want to make sure you completely set it and wait for it to start getting tacky, so that way it won't crease throughout the day. Because even when you apply your eyeshadow, if it's not completely set, it will crease. And we don't want that, because that's not cute. It's happened to me and I was so ashamed. Like, I was like, ew. And I was at work. So it was pretty much tough luck right now. So for eyeshadow, we are working out of the NYX Off Tropic palette. I'm going in with this shade first. Picking it up on the Morphe M433 brush. I'm going to kind of pack it on first, and this is going to be, I guess you could say this is my transition shade. And while I'm packing it on, I'm also going to start blending at the same time. Y'all, I had to rewear this shirt because I did not get any good pictures in it, and I'm just hoping I do this time. Like, I didn't get any good pictures, and I'm so hurt because I need a picture in this shirt because it was sent to me. Next, I am picking up this like bright red orange color, or it might just be red, which I think it is. I think it's just red. But yeah, I'm going right on top of that first shade I put down using the same brush, and I packed it onto the crease first, and now I'm blending it. So the method I'm using is just to pack and blend, honey. You feel me? This brush is just a really fluffy brush. I feel like you can really build on color with this and blend it out, as you can see, because it's really pigmented right now. You know, also thanks to the palette itself, duh. So going back into that P. Louise base, and this is what I'm going to use to cut the crease, of course. And to cut my crease, I'm not going to completely wing it out like sharp, but I am going to do like, I'm going to slightly wing it out on the edge. You'll see as I'm doing it, of course. Taking my NYX glitter glue, and I'm just going to apply that on the area where I cut my crease. all over the lid, and I am going to apply that, and then on top of that I am taking this NYX loose pigment in the number 6. So going back in with these 2 shades, I will be mixing them, and I'm just going to go on the outer edges. And I'm doing this using my Morphe M506 brush. And y'all know I love this brush. This is my favorite brush. Favorite, literally favorite. And this is just gonna blend them, help it all blend in, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so now I'm taking these little gems or whatever, and I'm just gonna put it like right at the top like this one. Gonna do the same over here. I feel like I could do it better with my freaking fingertips, which I could. Like, how crazy is that? They're literally not the same. Honestly, be fine. Taking my Lily lashes in the style Caviar, and that's what I'm gonna use for falsies today. So first, what I'm gonna do, first I'm going to tightline with this color, and then right under that color I'll be taking these 2 shades, and I'll be mixing them and smoking it out with these 2. So these are the 2 mascaras I'll be using. The L'Oreal Voluminous Paradise Lash Mascara and MAC in Extreme Dimension. For lips, I will be lining with Chestnut Lip Liner from MAC, and then I will be filling them in with a lipstick from NYX in the shade Munchies, and then I'll be going on top of that with a gloss from Dose of Colors, and it is called Rockin' It. Okay, so she's back. I did add like 2 little gem thingies over here. I don't know why I call them that, but I added them right here on the tops of like my cheekbones just to do a little something extra, you know what I'm saying? But yes guys, this is like it. I added these 2 little buns, little messy buns at the top, because I think it goes perfect with the eye makeup, the entire look as a whole, and the shirt. So yeah, I'm not about to sit up to show y'all this shirt. Go on my Instagram, because not right now because the picture won't be up till tomorrow. So anyway, yeah, I hope you all enjoyed today's video, today's episode of MATIC Monday, honey. I hope y'all enjoyed the look. Thank you all so much for watching. Please be sure to comment down below, let me know what you want to see from me on my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.